Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a really exciting unboxing today. I found this is an eBay purchase, and I came across it randomly very recently, and I was so excited to find it. This is another thing that's kind of been on my wish list, but it's very rare. I have not seen this on eBay up until now, or any other website. The only time it came out, I think it was maybe 3 or 4 years ago, something like that. Anyways, there's the funny part. When I ordered this, and I all of a sudden got a message on my eBay account. I'm like, okay, that's weird, and it was a mail message from the seller, and she's like, "Hi, my name's Lisa. Do you have a YouTube channel?" And I'm like, "Yeah, I do." So she is one of my viewers. So shout out to Lisa. I don't know if she subscribes. So I don't know which account she is. So, but I don't know if she has one. But anyways, thank you, Lisa, for sending this out and making the transaction here. This bag looks great. There's only like one flaw on it on the front, which she showed in the picture, but other than that, it looks very well taken care of. So let's get into it. Oh, and it's actually two different things. So, and I got a very good deal. So thank you, Lisa. Okay. So it's in a Dooney and Burke box. So that's pretty cool. Okay. Don't want to show my address, so let me cut it real quick. But I am really excited about this. I have not seen this color on YouTube yet. So, but I don't think there's a lot. Oh, there's a card. Okay. It says, "Thank you, Noelle." Little smiley face there. Oh, thank you, Lisa. Let's open this up real quick. Okay. Oh, cute little birds. That's sweet. Oh, cool. I'll read this later. It's a really long letter, and I don't want to go over on my time with this, but I will read this, Lisa, and then I will respond. But thank you so much for writing. Don't think I'm not going to read it. Okay. All right. So, she packed it really good. Bubble wrap. And she put it in the dust bag, one of the newer dust bags. Oh, wow. So here it is, and I'm very excited. I am so excited. Okay. Yep, I'm recording. I was making sure I was recording. Okay. Oh, wow, this is great. Okay, this is what I wanted. Okay, look. So this is the Dooney and Burke Florentine Libby Hobo in the color denim. And it looks great. And what I'm going to tell my viewers right now, don't panic if it looks wrinkled. So what you do, I have another Libby Hobo in black, and it had like a dent kind of on the side, I think it was. And all I did was I stuffed it, and I just left it for a couple weeks, and oh my god, it's perfect. In fact, I have it right now because I have it on the shelf. And yeah, there's no more crease. So this is it stuffed, and then that's the stuff. But oh, I love this. I love this. This is so great. But this is in denim, and the back looks great too. So the only flaw on this was just right here, just kind of little. I don't know what that is, but that's okay. It's soft. Yes. Oh, it looks great. Here's the sides. But it's a nice, good denim color. Okay, let's open it up. Yay. Okay. I'll just take out a little bit of stuffing. But yeah, here's the inside. Got that beautiful suede. Might as well take out all the stuffing too. Okay, so here's the inside. Okay, and that looks really clean. So that looks awesome. Oh, so pretty. But yeah, I'm definitely fine with the wrinkling and stuff. That can be hard to stuff sometimes, like when you're in a hurry. But that's fine. I can get it back in shape. That is not a problem. I love it. This is so pretty. So cool. Okay, there's one more thing. I'm very excited about this too. Okay. Okay. But yeah, I don't mind the wrinkle, the dents in it. I can get those out. Ooh, this is awesome. Look. Oh my gosh. This came with it. This is the Dooney & Bourke Florentine Continental Clutch in the same color, denim. And it's in perfect condition, you guys. It's perfect. This looks great. Yeah, it smells like Florentine. I love Florentine. And the inside is red leather. And that contrast, that is so cute. Because I've always wanted this color in the matching wallet. But there it is. Okay, that looks great. Thank you so much, Lisa. Oh, and she also gave me, this is another dust bag, and it looks like it's in factory packaging. So either she ordered one and just gave it to me, but thank you. I think I need another spare one of these because one of my bags, I think I got rid of the dust bag, so thank you. But yes, I'm going to just, stuff her, and she's going to look great, you guys. It's going to be great. And then if you ever have handles like this, it's kind of wonky, just hang it up. Because what that does, the leather will straighten out. Leather is very pliable, so you can fix things. And like I said, I love it, Lisa. I love it. Thank you so much. But yeah, this is one of the best eBay purchases ever, and it was good to message you too, Lisa. But thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys are doing well. I'm going to make another video because I ended up getting one of my other packages just now. So you're going to see another one too. And that's going to be exciting. So can't wait for that. All right. Talk to you guys soon. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.